This video was brought to you by Medical Gear Outfitters. They are my go-to stop for all things medical. It doesn't matter whether you need something that just holds a bunch of Band-Aids and maybe some aspirin or something like that, or if you need an actual trauma kit. If you don't have a trauma kit in your house or in your vehicle, then I highly suggest that you go check our people out at Medical Gear Outfitters, and they offer all of you a discount. You can find all of that information over at the affiliates page and all the relevant places, and use that to great effect. 2 videos in one day, folks. 2 videos in one day, because we have an update to the one that I made this morning, which is we now have the bill scheduled for markup tomorrow pertaining to what was going to be done with the Hearing Protection Act. The House Ways and Means Committee decided, again, I told you, you put reducing taxes in the room with Republicans in light of doing something that corrects a constitutional wrong. And what do you get? They reduced the tax on transfer of silencers to $0, but did not include the rest of the Hearing Protection Act. So I'm going to take you to the bill, and this is page 313, reduction of excise tax on firearms silencers. In general, section 5811A is amended to read as follows. Rate: there shall be levied, collected, and paid on firearms transferred a tax at the rate of 1, $5 for each firearm transferred in the case of a weapon classified as any other weapon. 2, $0 for each firearm transferred in the case of a silencer. 3, $200 for any other firearm transferred. I told you this was going to happen. I told you it was going to happen. You can see my video just a minute ago. You can see it. Oh, Kurt, they wouldn't do that. They couldn't possibly be that out of touch to think that they could just reduce the cost of the NFA tax and everybody will be happy and that'll be good enough. No, they absolutely could do that. I've been studying these people nearly my entire life at this point in time, and they are that out of touch. You'll notice, keeping with the tone of the previous video, that deals with transfer. So that's Form 4. So if you fill out a Form 1, that means that is unaffected. $200 for Form 1. Who does that benefit? This is entirely unacceptable, and it is a prime example of how the uniparty just continues to trample on the rights of the American citizen. Every single one of those members of the House Ways and Means Committee should be primaried on the next go-around. They have demonstrated that they do not value the Second Amendment of the Constitution of the United States. We put them there to do this thing. We said pass the Hearing Protection Act. They had an opportunity to put that in there, and what did they do? Oh, the big deal is the tax. We reduced the tax, but you still got to do your draconian, unconstitutional, outdated fingerprints, mugshot, and fill out a federal form and put yourself on a national registry. Thank you very much, Republicans. I rest my case, folks. I rest my case. All of them, every single one of them, out of here. Remember this, folks. Remember this next time they come back around and ask you for whatever it is that they ask for. Out of here. Never again.